The bearded dragon does not announce itself. It does not chase. It does not rush. In the harsh open landscapes of Australia, where the sun presses down without mercy and the land offers little forgiveness, stillness becomes a strategy. Here, movement costs energy. Mistakes cost life. And the bearded dragon understands this better than most. At first glance, it appears almost ordinary. A flattened body, rough scales, earth-tone colors blending seamlessly with rock and dust. But look longer, stay with it. There is intention in the stillness. Awareness behind the calm eyes. This lizard is not slow because it is weak. It is slow because it is efficient. The bearded dragon evolved in environments where extremes are the norm. Scorching days, cold nights, fast food, limited water. Survival here is not about dominance. It is about balance. Its body is shaped to absorb and manage heat. Broad, flattened, designed to soak sunlight when warmth is needed and minimize exposure when it becomes dangerous. Spikes and scales are not armor for battle, but texture for protection and regulation. The beard itself, the feature that gave this lizard its name, is not decoration. It is communication. When threatened, the beard darkens. It expands. The mouth opens wide, revealing a sudden display meant to surprise rather than injure. This is not aggression for combat. This is warning, a message that says stop before we go further. Most conflicts end there, because the bearded dragon does not seek violence. It seeks space. In daily life, it moves with purpose but without urgency. It climbs rocks not to escape, but to observe. Elevated positions offer sunlight, safety, and perspective. From these vantage points, it watches insects move, shadows shift, and danger pass. Its diet reflects its adaptability. Insects provide protein, plants provide moisture and fiber. Flowers, leaves, small prey all become part of a flexible strategy. This omnivorous nature allows survival through seasonal changes where specialists struggle. Eating is not rushed. Each movement is deliberate. Energy is conserved. Waste is minimized. This calm extends into its social behavior. Bearded dragons acknowledge one another through posture and head movements. A slow wave of the arm can signal submission. A firm stance communicates presence. These signals reduce conflict, conserving energy for survival rather than dominance. Intelligence in the bearded dragon is subtle. It is not flashy problem solving. It is recognition, memory, routine. Individuals learn where the sun rises best, where shade arrives first, which paths are safe, which disturbances repeat. Over time, this knowledge becomes rhythm. Reproduction follows the land's timing. When conditions allow, females lay eggs in warm soil, choosing locations that balance heat and concealment. The desert offers no forgiveness for poor decisions. Once hatched, young bearded dragons are immediately independent. There is no guidance, no second chances. From the first moment, instinct and awareness decide outcomes. Predators remain ever present. Birds circle above. Snakes move silently below. Mammals patrol without pattern. The bearded dragon survives not by fleeing instantly, but by recognizing when movement is necessary and when it is not. Sometimes, staying still is the safest choice. Human interaction has changed the bearded dragon's story. Today, it is one of the most familiar reptiles in captivity. Calm demeanor, recognizable expressions, a tolerance for handling that many reptiles lack. But this familiarity often hides its true nature. The bearded dragon is not tame by design. It is tolerant by evolution. Its calmness is not weakness. It is confidence built over millions of years of surviving without panic. In the wild, habitat loss and environmental shifts challenge this balance. Climate patterns change, food availability shifts, and while the bearded dragon adapts well, no species is immune to disruption. Ecologically, it plays a quiet role, controlling insect populations, dispersing plant matter, acting as prey for larger animals. Its presence stabilizes small systems in subtle ways. The bearded dragon reminds us of a different kind of strength. Not speed, not aggression, but composure. In a world that rewards urgency, this lizard survives by refusing to hurry. It waits, it watches, and when it moves, it does so with purpose.